well, what happens when someone doesn't do it? And I think what I
Yep.
see, and I see you roll your eyes there, like there's not the repercussions that you want there to be. Like you really want it to be like, okay, you don't turn everything over, like you're held in contempt, you're going to jail. And I, truthfully have never seen that in a case, but um there are situations where, people's paychecks can be garnished if they've refused to provide child support or refused to turn over marital assets when they're supposed to. So there are some systems in place. But I don't know that I've ever seen anyone like
Right.
arrested for not
Right. Right.
disclosing their assets.
While many women have been arrested for custody violations and things. I just have to say that. I mean, I co-authored this book, Framed Women in the Family
Hmm.
Court Underworld. You know, we all grew up thinking that our justice system was fair. And if somebody didn't pay, there would be ramifications right away. And a lot of us operate with that fear, right? We wouldn't dare violate an order or not provide full financial disclosure.
So she's getting, a small percentage of his paycheck and he's going to Vegas on trips and doing all of these things.
So
And so
common. They're
I
living
know.
lifestyles of the rich and famous, and then they're saying, why did you buy 3 boxes of mac and cheese for the kids? You should have bought
Right.
one.
Like, why didn't you dye your hair from a box at the convenience store when you've been, going to
Yes,
beauty
that's
salon
another
for
good one.
30
Right.
years? So I think, there is a lot of disparity in the divorce, no matter, how well intentioned orders can be. Um, and generally, the moneyed spouse continues living at a normalized standard, even
Mhm.
though that's like kind of depleting the assets and the other spouse isn't getting the same benefit.
Right. And you can pursue that, talk to your attorney about the fact that your spouse is dissipating the assets, because I've had many clients who, one, the husband is whining and dining his new mistress in Paris, right? And buying all sorts of gifts and things. You're seeing that there, right? And then you can't
Yeah.
pay for Bobby's like baseball program. Like it's ridiculous in some of these cases.